Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is TAV here. A brand new update for Internet Download Manager has just been released. So if you are currently using IDM 6.43 build 5 or an older version, you will see now a notification to update to a newer version of IDM 6.43 build 6 final release. To check this out, you can simply go to your browser or you can launch your IDM. Like you can go under this section of news. Under news you will be able to find the latest release details. So here you can see it's released on July 18 2026, and it says that it has fixed a bugs when converting the TS video to MP4. I am going to download this newer version of Internet Download Manager from here. So you can just click here. Click on this open file. It will ask you for user account control privileges access. Provide it. Click yes. Read all license agreement terms and conditions. If you are satisfied, check this box and hit next. And if you want to create an icon of IDM on your desktop, you can do that here as well by checking this box. Currently I am keeping it blank, and now I am clicking next, and you are now ready to install the latest Internet Download Manager. This installation is really very quick, and once installed you can click on finish, and here in the tray icon you will find this Internet Download Manager. You can also bring it here and pin it. So by clicking here you can launch your Internet Download Manager. You can uncheck this box if you don't want to see this tips during startup, and then you can close. So if you have already installed the Internet Download Manager, you can find the updates under help section, and you can click here check for updates. This will look for the quick update, and if there is any versions available, it will show up here. Since I have already installed the latest version of Internet Download Manager, so it is not showing up that update. So let me confirm back again. If you go under about IDM section, it will show you this 6.43 build 6 released on 18th of July 2026. Though it doesn't show any major changes or any cosmetic changes, this is going to be a good update if you want a more stabilized internet download version and you keep on downloading different videos that are in TS formats. So this update is going to help you a lot. So here as well you will find some customized IDM download panels in your browser. Here you will find this TS, so you can make certain changes to like if you uncheck a file type on this list above, and if the file is in the list on options so that download of these file types are captured by IDM automatically, and it won't be played in the web player. So this will be detected. So come here and you can check this box as well if it is not currently active, and then you are fine. So that's it. This is all about this new update, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.